Hello, together let's solve this expression. We're asked to solve for y in y to the power of 4 minus 625 equal to 0. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now let's get started. To solve this expression, I want you to have in mind two things, that 625 can be equal to 5 to the power of 4, right? And you also recall that we can also say that our 4 can be equal to 2 multiplied by 2. So if we simplify this expression, we are simply going to replace 625 with 5 to the power of 4. Now let's do that. We'll have our y to the power of 4 minus 5 to the power of 4, and that will be equal to 0. That way, we can be able to simplify further. So what we're going to do now is to break this off. And this will be y squared all squared, right? And this will be minus 5 squared all squared. Remember, if you multiply the exponent, it's still going to give us 4, and this will be equal to 0. Now, this way, we can be able to simplify them using an algebraic expression. Now, recall this algebraic expression. If we have a squared minus b squared, this can be equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And that's the diff of this of 2 square, a difference of 2 square. Now, from this expression, you see that our a is equal to y squared, right? And our b is equal to 5 squared, right? So if we break up that expression, we're going to have that expression to now give us, that expression will now give us a y squared minus 5 squared, all multiplied by our y squared plus 5 squared, and all this will be equal to 0. Great. Now, we're going to simplify this because this is more of a product of 2 squared. And from this product of 2 squared, the zero product rule, we're going to have y squared minus 5 squared as a solution equal to 0, right? And we can still have a y squared plus 5 squared equal to 0. Great. So what do we do from here? We're going to expand the expression to find the values of y. From this expression, we can have this to become y minus 5, right? And y plus 5, and this will be equal to 0. Our y will be equal to 5 in the first expression because we'll have y minus 5 equal to 0, and in the second expression, our y will be equal to negative 5. So the two solutions to this is y1 equal to 5 and y2 equal to negative 5. What about this other solution? This is not a diff of 2 squares, so we're going to have this to become y squared plus 25, because 5 squared is 25 equal to 0. So our y squared will be equal to negative 20 what? 5 if we subtract 25 from both sides. So this expression will now give us, taking the square root of both sides to find the value of y, this will now give us equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 25, right? So taking that, we'll find out that this will have to clear this, and then we'll have y to be equal to plus or minus 25, the square root of 25 multiplied by the square root of negative 1. And the square root of negative 1 will definitely give us an I, right? That will be equal to plus or minus 5 I. So the values of y, we'll have it as y1 equal to 5, y2 equal to -5, y3 equal to plus 5i, and then we'll have our y4 to be equal to -5 what? I. So all these are the solution to y given to us from that expression. This is the solution to that mathematics expression given to us above here. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe or follow my page for more content, maths content. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.